Hello students, welcome to my class. Hope you all are well. I am Mohtarima Begum, Senior Teacher in English of Bogura Cantonment Public School and College. Today I am going to discuss a lesson of class 10 from English for today. But before doing that, I want to show you a picture. Do you know him? Can you guess who is he? Okay, I can help you by giving some issues. The person you see in the picture was a Bangladeshi novelist, writer and talented filmmaker. He was most notable for his documentary Stop Genocide. Now is it clear to you? Yes, he is Zohir Raihan. Students, our today's topic is They Had Dreams, and this is from Unit 10, Lesson 4. But before going through the passage, we should know the meaning of some important vocabularies. Let us learn the vocabulary. First word, procession, a line of people or vehicles that move along slowly, especially as a part of a ceremony. Next, legendary, very famous and talked about a lot by people. Then revolt, means to take violence against the people in power. Autocrat means a ruler who has complete power. Conspiracy, a secret plan by a group of people to do something illegal or harmful. After that, atrocity, a very wicked or cruel act. The last one, collaborator, a person who helps the enemy in a war. Now, we can start our passage. Listen the passage attentively. Zohir Raihan was one of the most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh. He was born on 19 August 1935 in the village Majupur in Feni district. He was an active worker of the language movement. He was one of the 10 students to go out in a procession on 21st February 1952 despite a ban on such activities imposed by the authorities. As a result, he and many others were arrested and taken to prison. Raihan was also present at the historical meeting of Amtala on 21st February 1952. He also took part in the mass movement in 1969. In 1971, he joined the Liberation War. All through his life, Zohir Raihan dreamed for a democratic society, a society that would ensure freedom of speech. He had many dreams about our film industry too. He made a legendary film, Jibon Theke Neya, based on the language movement of 1952. It was a protest against the autocratic government then ruling our country. The family portrayed in that film symbolically represented East Pakistan. The family was ruled by an autocrat who had to go to prison for her conspiracy. During the Liberation War in 1971, this film was shown outside Bangladesh. Celebrated filmmakers like Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen and Hrithik Ghatak appreciated the film. Raihan gave all the money the film made to the Freedom Fighters Trust. Besides, his great documentary on Pakistani atrocities, Stop Genocide, helped create world sentiment in favor of our liberation war. On 30 December 1971, someone informed Raihan about an address somewhere at Mirpur, where he might find his brother, the famous writer Shahidullah Kaisar, who had gone missing from 14 December 1971. Kaisar was captured and killed by the Pakistani army and the local collaborators during the last days of the war. Accordingly, Raihan left home to get his brother back, but he never returned. Zohir Raihan's dream was fulfilled. He could see the emergence of an independent Bangladesh, though he did not get back his brother. And it's a pity that this dreamer could not live to see his dream come true. Students, already we have finished our passage. Now, there we have some multiple choice questions. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. Question number 1. The word ban in the passage is, options are adjective, verb, noun, adverb. Correct answer, noun. Question number B. The text is about, options are Zohir Rayhan's contribution in the language movement, Zohir Rayhan's early life, Zohir Rayhan and his patriotism, and Zohir's contribution in the film industry. Correct answer, Zohir Rayhan and his patriotism. Question number C. Stop Genocide is about, options are language movement, mass movement, liberation war, and cruelty of the then government. Correct answer, cruelty of the then government. Question number D. Autocratic could be replaced by, options are free, bondage, imperious, and democratic. Correct answer, imperious. Question number E. On which basis did Zohir Rayhan make the film Jibon Theke Niya? Options are local movement, liberation war, mass movement, and language movement. Correct answer, language movement. Question number F. Disappearance stands for, options are entrance, arrival, vanishing, and exhibition. Correct answer, vanishing. And the last question. Many critics dashed the film Jibon Theke Niya. Options are criticized, admired, discouraged, and ridiculed. Correct answer, admired. Now, we will answer to some questions based on the text. Our first question. What did Zohir Rayhan dream all through his life? Answer. All through his life, Zohir Rayhan dreamed for a democratic society that will ensure freedom of speech and will. Question number B. What did the film Jibon Theke Niya present? The film Jibon Theke Niya presented a family which was the miniature of East Pakistan ruled by an autocrat. Question number C. What is Stop Genocide? How did it help our liberation war? Stop Genocide is a great documentary on Pakistani atrocities. It helped our liberation war by creating world sentiment in favor of us. Next question. Who was Shahidullah Kaisar? What happened to him? Shahidullah Kaisar was the brother of Zohir Rayhan. He was also the famous writer. Shahidullah was captured and killed by the Pakistani army and the local collaborators during the last days of the war. Our last question. What happened to Zohir Rayhan? On 30 December 1971, Zohir was informed that he might find his brother somewhere at Mirpur. So Zohir left home with a hope to get his brother back, but he never returned. Students, now this is the time for your homework. Your homework is a paragraph on patriotism. Already we are going to finish the class today. I think you can understand the lesson clearly. Okay student, take care of you. Thank you.